Hello everyone. We have made a big update to our Stripe integration on Reserve. Your clients can actually now pay using local payment methods on top of credit cards. So for one-time payment on packages and memberships, you now get things like PayNow, FPX, PromptPay, GrabPay, Google Pay, Mobile Pay, SEPA, and more. And it really depends on which country you're operating in. And for recurring memberships, your clients can now have actually additional options of using Google Pay on top of credit cards. Google Pay actually works with a recurring monthly membership. And here's a demo of how this new feature works. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, so this is a client that is using Stripe in Singapore. And if I go into purchase right now, and let's just go for the 2 classes trial. And you see under Stripe now, I have different payment options on top of credit cards. So I have now like PayNow in Singapore, Google Pay, GrabPay. If you are in Malaysia, you have FPX. You are in Europe, you have SEPA, and it depends, right? So this is how your clients now can actually pay using local payment methods. And you can see this is for a one-time payment type plan. So if you are selling recurring memberships, I mean, this client don't have it, but I can show you how it looks like on my demo plan. Is if I go into memberships and I show you a auto renewal membership, you will notice the key difference now is Stripe will automatically block whatever payment methods that doesn't actually support recurring plan. So only credit cards and only Google Pay are allowed for recurring. In our backend, it's really simple to set up. There is nothing you need to do because you would have already integrated Stripe. All you need to do is to manage Stripe and turn on whichever additional payment methods you require. The good news also is for in-store transaction. Let's say I'm going to search for this customer by the name of Adrian. Okay. And then after that, I'm just going to say, okay, he's going to buy a $30 20 pack. Bill to account, we also made the exact same upgrade. The cool thing about this is the system actually remembers if your client has actually made a payment before and saved their card. So if they did, you can actually bill to their card directly. But on top of that, of course, now there is the PayNow, there is the Google Pay, there is the GrabPay option. And again, this is depending on which country you're operating in. The choices given by Stripe will be different. And essentially, that is how the whole upgrade looks like. And hopefully you enjoy this enhancement that we have made. A lot more new enhancements are coming. One of the biggest one that is coming up soon is pay later in store. So that when your client actually tries to buy a package, one of the new options here is rather than forcing them to pay now, if they choose to pay in store, they can do that. Okay. And another good news that is coming up soon is the ability for you to put in your own QR code and allow your client to scan and pay. That is also expected to be out shortly. Okay, thank you very much.